Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Vivint door lock battery. First, gather your essential tools. You'll need a small Phillips head screwdriver and 4 fresh AA batteries. Before you begin, make sure your Vivint security system is completely disarmed. It's also helpful to know that while the general process is similar, slight variations might exist depending on your specific Vivint door lock model. Being prepared makes the whole process much smoother. Now, let's access the battery compartment. On the interior side of your Vivint door lock, you'll find the battery cover. Take your small Phillips head screwdriver and carefully remove the 2 or 3 screws holding this cover in place. Once the screws are out, gently pull the cover away from the lock body. This will reveal the battery pack, making it easy to proceed with the replacement. With the compartment open, it's time to replace those old batteries. Carefully take out the depleted batteries, paying attention to how they were oriented. Now, insert your 4 new AA batteries, ensuring each one is correctly aligned with its positive and negative terminals. It's important to avoid touching the circuit board or any other sensitive internal components during this step to prevent any accidental damage. Finally, let's button everything up and test it out. Carefully replace the battery cover and secure it firmly with the 2 or 3 screws you removed earlier. Once the cover is back on, test your lock's functionality. Try locking and unlocking it both manually and through your Vivint app. Your Vivint system should recognize the new battery status within a few minutes, confirming a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.